Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on AMC and Tesla. So first here, let's take a look at AMC. Another ugly beatdown, kind of following the markets today, a little worse though than the indexes. This thing is down over 5%, heading to be down about 6%. Kind of thought this thing might try to bounce and head back towards this 21-day exponential moving average here, because it kind of looks like it's time for maybe some profit taking. Even if this overall downtrend is not over yet, but it's just continuing to bleed out. Looks like it's going to work its way down to around this 1450 level. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Maybe it'll bounce from here, try to retrace to the mean to that 21-day exponential moving average, or maybe it's going to go down and test that 1450 before it has a little bit of a bump. So yeah, here on the daily time frame, I'm still, seeing the same thing that I've talked about in my last few videos, that we've got this downtrend line still in play, and we've still got the 21-day exponential moving average as a dynamic resistance at this point. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now, 1450. If it continues to bleed out towards that, let's kind of see what happens at that level there. I didn't really see much in the way of news for AMC today here in TD Ameritrade, but let's pull up Tesla here. See if there's any interesting news for Tesla. Oh, we got a whale update here, so let's check this out. Someone with a lot of money to spend has taken a bearish stance on Tesla, and retail traders should know. We noticed this today when the big position showed up on publicly available options history that we track here at bngo. Whether this is an institution or just a wealthy individual, we don't know. But when something this big happens with Tesla, it often means somebody knows something is about to happen. So how do we know what this whale just did? It says today, bngo's option scanner spotted 316 uncommon options trades for Tesla. This isn't normal. The overall sentiment of these big money trades is split between 36% bullish and 63% bearish. Out of all of the special options we uncovered, 238 are puts for a total amount of $19,136,271, and 78 are calls for a total amount of $8,436,438. And it's talking about price target ranges here, all the way from 600 up to 2,000. Over the last 3 months. So pretty wide range here on the strikes for these options trades. Let's take a look here at Tesla and kind of see what's going on. On the day, down 2.48%, so down a little bit, but not too crazy, not as bad as AMC. So on the daily chart here, we do see this thing consolidating and really getting trapped within a range. So this thing was on a nice little rip and a nice little run. Came up to that 1243, hard sell-off, rallied back, but couldn't quite make a new high there. Ran up around 1200, another big dump all the way down to 886 or so. It looks like it's showing the low here on this latest dump, and then it rammed up nicely again to 1200, but again a barrier there. So that 1200 level is definitely key right now, and then a big move down again. So the way it's looking to me right now on the daily chart is it may go down and test around this $900 level again, since that's kind of the range we've had since late November. You have this run up to 1200, bam, down to around 900, back up to 1200, and now it's just moving in that direction again. So that's a level I will keep my eye on. If it continues to bleed out and does go down and touch that 900, what's going to happen at that level? If the bulls can step in and kind of do, let me zoom in here, kind of do what they did here with this nice gap up, bullish engulf, really strong candle here after this thing dipped just below 900. If we get a response like this or this, then yeah, I'm thinking we're probably going to go up and retest 1200. But if not, if let's say we bleed to that line and then we have some nasty candles to move below that, then I think we could see really significant drawdown. Looking at the daily chart here, yeah, that 900 level definitely very key. You can see down here maybe a next stop around 785 or so, maybe 800, somewhere in there. You kind of see 800 was getting resisted a little bit here before it finally broke above. So yeah, I think if that 900 level does not hold, we're probably going to come down to around the 800, 785 level, and then kind of see what happens at that price. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated here on AMC and Tesla. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.